to use arrow to demonstrate while editing your video. You know, when you are teaching something or you want to show your viewers something and your viewers are not seeing that thing very well, it will be difficult for them to understand it. So while editing your videos, you need to use arrow. Maybe you want to tell somebody, tap here, see here, look at here, do this, do that. So using arrow will help to make your viewers to understand what you are telling them to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use arrow to demonstrate while editing your videos. Let's go, guys.
So guys, this is how to use arrow to demonstrate what you are teaching. Okay, just
So let's
go to
go
your
to CapCut.
CapCut.
Let me show you how to do it with CapCut. So in
Let
case
me
you're
use this
using
video now and
CapCut,
give you example of how to do it.
so go to new project, bring in the video, add it to your vision it. Once you add it, you look down these icons.
Look down these icons.
Look for aspect.
Look down this icon. Look for aspect ratio. So this is how to apply arrow. You look down, look for sticker, look for free one. We have paid one, we have free one. Look for free one. You bring the sticker.
Ratio.
Aspect ratio. See, so you we take good. Look for aspect ratio. This is the aspect ratio now. You keep it there. Maybe drag this one back because where you talk is too short.
Or aspect ratio. You tap it,
Yeah,
you put it in 1:1 or 4:5. You tap good. Once you tap good, you tap the video.
have you seen it? You tap the video. Oh yeah, let me use another sticker and show you. You tap the video. It's very easy and simple. Whatever you want to show people, just go to your sticker, bring the arrow, any type you want. Have you seen it? You tap good. Once you bring it, you tap good. Draw it back small so that it will not be longer than where you want to talk.
Use your hand. Use your two fingers.
Have you seen it? You tap the video.
You tap the video. Use your hand.
Have you seen it? So it's very easy and simple to do. Okay, so if you want to use another type of arrow too, go to your sticker, then look for free one. Free one. If I don't want to use that one, I can use, depends on what you want to talk. Maybe if it is something you want to talk about, bad sign, you can use this bad sign. You understand? This is the arrow I'm using. If I don't want to use that one, I can equally use, there is another one that is free. I normally use too. Hold on, let me see. Have you seen all these things you people will be seeing on people's video? Maybe like follow, all these things, or this thing now. So these are the things. Let me look. There is one second one. Have you seen this fire now? Maybe skit makers usually put on their videos. This one now, this fire. So there are a lot of them. A lot of them that you can use. Any one. If you pay, you can have access to everything here. But if you are using free version, you just look for free ones and use. Okay, it's very easy and simple to use. There is another one I normally use. I've not seen it. There's another one I normally use. Circle. That one is circle. I can't find it. So guys, that's how to do it. It's very easy and simple. Whatever you want to tell somebody, immediately you want to tell somebody that thing, just pause the video. As the video is playing, you want to say that thing, you pause the video. Once you pause the video, you go to sticker, tab, look for arrow, look for arrow that you want to use. Depending on what you want. If it is this thing now you want to use, maybe tell somebody look up here, you understand, you use it. Or you want to tell somebody say bad, no, don't do this, bad, you tap that one, you understand. Or this
Empty. It has covered everywhere.
comment section, this one is comment. Maybe you want to talk about scissors, you can bring in scissors. So anything you want to say or do, that's how to do it. You're editing your YouTube video, you want to put all this bell icon, subscribe, or turn on your notification, you tap it. You want to use this like button,
Empty. It has
tap
covered.
it. It's free too. Anyone, make sure that it's free. The ones you're tapping are free. If not, after editing your videos, if you want to export it, they will not allow you to export it. They will tell you to pay first before you export it. So guys, that's how to do it. It's very easy and simple. Okay, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and follow this video for more tutorials. I love you guys. Bye. See you all in my next video.